Today's style story, what am I wearing? Why am I wearing it? This is designer Antonio Milani. It's two pieces. I've got a really pretty animal print dress. Shoulder pads are back, and then I paired it with a tailored black blazer, all compliments of Dillard's. Why am I wearing it? Well, today was a special occasion. You know who was on today's show? The real life Carrie Bradshaw. Candace Bushnell was here on the couch. Well, I thought this dress was appropriate for it. What do you think? Thank you, Dillard.